Okay, so I have my phone, right? Then I got a new case. Let's open it. Let's see how it looks.
Okay, let's go. One shot, let's get it. Okay,
Oh,
ready?
stay tuned, by the way, because this is going to be our next video.
That's your iPad case?
Yeah.
You don't have one?
Oh, no, I have one.
Oh, you have another one.
Okay, so I'm going to have two colors, because this is, like, not so good.
I'll take the case off from this.
No, wait.
I'll take the case off.
Oh, wait, we got it.
Someone pussy play. I'll try. Whoa!
That's nice.
Let's see.
You want to touch it? It feels so good.
Oh, it's like my mom's case.
She copied my case from here. Hey, whatever.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, we got it. Yay, you took it off. Why do you even need a new case?
Oh, I don't know. I like it. A new case. I like a new case. Whoa!
That's pretty cool. Can't lie. Go subscribe to me, Don Hertz.
Me too. And me too.
Me almost. Noah Bologny with his introduction of the bubblets. You got it?
Yeah, it's just there's one thing I have to do. Switch my background. Let's do that now, actually.
Yeah.
Let's do that now. You guys can
So we'll call it switch phone case and background.
Okay, so we're going to let's go to settings. Then we have to go to
Wallpaper.
And
Let's choose a new wallpaper.
yeah, I know. I feel like that one, right?
You used to have that one. I like that one. My mom has that
It
one.
matches.
Now set it.
Should we go?
Set both.
Set both.
Now close it. And show them what happens. Okay, that's going to be it for the video.
And you guys could touch it if you want.
Subscribe. Don't touch it. We don't want to get the virus. Bye.
Bye.